Hadin ke jengwanya kendu juga ngelam juga sang Voice of the People Party, Vice Chancellor juga North Eastern Hill University, Profesor P.S. Shukla. Oleh tu begini kena ngelam kelawanya kan dia menyakan dia kebahagamiat juga North Eastern Hill University. Hari ke juga por lo angru baki ke baru boleh kilong Katkum ki an jong ka Sorkar Pdeng nama dia ke university la punya di ki an jong Sorkar Pdeng. Mereka juga por ulai kalbala pun buat Ryntih ke Kyndon dan di Treikam juga university kentup akabat tungkam tungjam bat ki kue di kam ki bedai maka dibahagamiat jong ke university. Ke juga por lo angru ka jengwan second ke jelas kamtam e askan university kalong namta ka bahagamiat jong ke jelas Meghalaya.
The leaders are basically, one is my professor, another is also a teacher, local MLA of the area, and some president and secretary is there, and they are very good. But it should come with the information, so I can properly respect them. I'm also not sometimes even able to identify each and everything. I can identify my professor or my lecturer, but other I never met, so I am not able. But he came and discussed the matter about different aspects of the university, and said to me, take the decision in the interest of the under the rules. One thing is very I can mention here. My already member of parliament given me a letter. Take a decision in the interest of our people, but not beyond the rule, under the rules. He clearly mentioned that, and I appreciate this. By under the rules, I'm always trying to implement the rules and develop a system in the university. So this is my view, and Nehu will be continuously implementing the various UGC guidelines for academic excellence, and this is already published in the review also. So time to time, once paper are going to me support. Someone also mentioned about the even grading and some academic standard system of the NEBU. Definitely, in future also going to even recruit the non-teaching positions after conducting the examination, and hopefully the maximum are under the rules and system. State will take the benefit of that, and other people can also take the benefit of that. Whatever the norms of the central government. If this is central university, definitely will be going to apply the central rules of the central government.
One thing he has mentioned specific, from time to time you have been questioning your style of functioning. What do you have to say? Because this is not the first time you have seen letters after letters. They have been protesting also. What do you have to say? Now you have been 3 years here. Maybe you have done so many good things. Why these people are not really seeing those good things you have done?
I want to say only one sentence. Be always expecting from the others. What is my right? But how many going to think about the duties? Everybody also have the duties. As a teacher, what is my duty? As an administrator, what is my duty? As a student of the campus, what is my duty? So time to time, I am awareing students as well as the faculty member and staff. Yes, I am implementing the rules and system of the university. Kindly also think about the duties. Once everyone is ready to work according to their duties, definitely future will be out.
That's very good. Colonel Omkar Singh, from a controller now he has become an register. Despite he does not have the requisite qualification to hold such position. What do you have to say on this?
No, he already had. Okay. Always, even without the screening of the application, I cannot conduct any interview. and the member of the screening committee are from the not only from the this university, some also from the outside. Some of the registrar from the other universities. They already have the knowledge about the screening system. They cannot screen the application without fulfilling the requisite qualification of the registrar. So after screening the application, university had somewhat conducted the interview और accordingly जो है select the candidate on the recommendation of the selection committee, and this is not a one decision or vice chancellor decision. This is a decision of the selection committee. Under the selection committee, one member of President of India nominee is there. Then SC/ST nominee is there, along with the two experts from the different organizations. To total, I think 5 or 7 member selecting after interviewing selected Professor Mr. Vankal Singh as a registrar of the university. And paper is very clear. If all of you or anyone not going to believe in, I can show the paper. This is the matter of willingness. How many after they have been after circulation of the interview letter, how many are going to join the interview? That is also important. I have circulated more than I think 10 interview letter. Out of that, only few are going to join the interview. So selection is not totally depend on the vice chancellor. Yes, vice chancellor is the chairman of the committee, going to select or selected a candidate on the basis of recommendation of the expert, along with the proper consent of the members present in the selection committee.
So if you have followed due procedures, whatever that is there, but yeah. So why the teachers organization, you have seen that there are arms against you. They have even written to the president asking that you are against the non-tribal or the tribal community here, the interest. What do you have to say? You see it's a political propaganda against you?
Okay. What is the protocol, why they came, why they did, I can't say anything. Okay. As an academician, yes, local people can come in this area. Member of parliament can, MLA can. What is their motive? I don't know. But I can say that since my joining, I am working in the interest of the Meghalaya. That's why all of you are the Patrakar. You know better what happened in last 3 years. You have the experience. What I already did and doing in the university. And what was the position before my joining and after my joining. You, all of you have the experience. I don't want to even say something, but all of 4 of you are here. You have the experience. Before my joining, you have the experience, or after my joining also you have. You know better than me.
One last question. Even they know in the what is it, the teaching